guys, I'm Sharif Ackerson, and this is Quick Views for February 27th, 2025. Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's Top 5. Number 5. Any freshman interested in purchasing a Class of 2028 shirt needs to turn in their order form and money to Ms. Houseman by the end of the day today. Number 4. Yearbook is looking for pictures of anything related to Greenview's FFA chapter. Please share any pictures of FFA past events, including any from last week's FFA Spirit Week, with the yearbook staff by emailing Mrs. Beam. Number 3, interested in playing football next year? There will be a meeting during Club Thursday today in the auditoria for anyone in grades 8 through 11 interested in playing football next year. 2, interested in playing tennis this spring? Boys tennis signups have begun in the high school office. Official practices start March 10th for all boys, grades 9 through 12. Open courts for boys, both boys and girls, are on Tuesday and Wednesday from 3 to 4:30. Rackets are provided. At number 1, Greenview High School offers free after-school tutoring to any interested student. Tutoring is drop-in, no appointment necessary, and held in the teacher's room. If you have a specific question or need help in a subject, this is a great opportunity to get your answer. Lunch today is General Tso's chicken. Happy birthday to Aiden McQueen, like the car. More announcements and more information can be found in your email or the slideshows around school. Thank you for watching. Make it an awesome day, Greenview.